Regime attacks kill 8 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Assad regime and Russia kill civilians in Idlib, watchdog. Turkish jets neutralize 6 PKK terrorists in North Iraq. Trump and Israel's Netanyahu discuss countering Iran. House votes to restrain Trump on Iran amid tensions. Seized Iran tanker confirmed to contain crude oil. Threat level for UK ships raised in Persian Gulf. UK deploying second warship in Persian Gulf. Libya demands explanation after French missiles found. Sudan's military says it foiled fresh coup attempt. Somalia, suicide attack kills 10 people. Shocking surge in violence inflicts massive toll on Afghans.